Welcome to Wealth Up, a channel about personal finance and building wealth. Cooking can save you thousands of dollars. Nowadays, it is very easy to order takeout through delivery apps. You can be lounging in your house, open up the app on your phone, and order food. This is easy and extremely convenient, but you are overspending. These apps are often charging you more compared to you ordering directly from the restaurant. There is a delivery fee and you have to tip. After it's said and done, a normal $10 meal is now closer to $20. If you do this several times a week, let's say 3 times per week, that is $60 per week that you are spending and $240 per month. If you invest this for the next 30 years, you will have almost $500,000 invested. That's right, $500,000. And this is a conservative estimate. Takeout is often more than $20, and many eat out more than 3 times per week. This is an easy adjustment to make to your budget. Instead, plan your meals, buy groceries, and do batch cooking or a version of meal prep. You will be saving and eating much healthier. This week, I spent $37 on groceries, and this included household items and was not all actual food. I started preparing for the week by doing some meal prepping on Sunday. I had a busy Sunday and a busy week ahead, so I bought a rotisserie chicken to help save time. On Sunday, I prepared my lunch for the days I would be going into the office, and this week that was 3 days. I portioned out the chicken for 3 days and prepared some broccoli and cauliflower for 2 of those days. I added the vegetables to the chicken. For the 3rd day, I did not prepare a side and will add this later in the week. I also prepared almonds as a snack and made jello as well. Okay, now let's start looking at the week. On Monday, I had my morning coffee at work. This was free and cost $0. For lunch, I had my meal prep with sparkling water and the cost was $2. For dinner, I made some zucchini spaghetti and added rotisserie chicken. On Tuesday, I worked from my home office and had a nice coffee for about 20 cents. For lunch, I had chorizo and eggs and a side of avocado. The cost was $1. For dinner, I made cauliflower rice, rotisserie chicken, and a side of cucumber for $1.50. Wednesday, I was back in the office and had a free coffee in the morning. For lunch, I repeated the same lunch as Monday, and the cost was $2. And for dinner, I made a chile relleno for the cost of $1.25. Thursday, I was back at the office, but I did not have coffee this morning. It was quite a busy day. For lunch, I had the 3rd portion of the meal prep, and I added some leftovers from the night before. The cost was $2. For dinner on Thursday, I had the last portion of rotisserie chicken, made cauliflower rice, and a side of cucumber, and the cost was $1.50. On Friday, I worked from home again and made a 20-cent iced coffee. For lunch, I had chorizo and eggs and a side of avocado again for $1. And for dinner, I had a cookout with friends. COVID safe, of course. And I spent $16 for some chicken to grill and veggies. I hosted and had so many leftovers and uncooked food that I used all weekend and did not have to spend any more money on food. This brings my spend on food for the week to $28.65. As you can see, I did not do any elaborate cooking and easily made enough food for the week. Other weeks, I do spend more time cooking, but overall stay at around this expense. No matter your cooking level skills, you can meal prep at a reasonable cost. And as you build the routine to cook at home, your skills will get better over time. How much are you spending on food? Any areas where you can trim your spending? Remember to make a plan before you go grocery shopping and buy based on your plan. If you can cut back on convenience spending, you can save your way to nearly $500,000. I hope that you have found this video useful. Leave a comment down below on your best strategy for keeping your food expenses under control. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see upcoming videos. If you want to see regular content, you could add me on Instagram at wealth_up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.